Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy March 1st. It is time for another Misfits Market unboxing. So let's hop into this box. It was a surprise to me as well because I was late to the show for customizations last week, and because of that I just had to take what I could get. I did pick out 2 items from the marketplace as add-ons, so those will be the first 2 things out of the box. First up is this microwave popcorn. It just looked interesting to me. I thought it would be good for a movie night. And then I also picked these sweet peppers. I thought they'd be good for just snacks for the household and also to chop up and put in my salads. This is the first item of the regular items. Eggplant. Would not have picked that, but I'll work it into a stir fry. Next up is green apples. I love their green apples. I actually used one in dinner tonight. I chopped it up and put it in cornbread stuffing along with some cranberries, and it was delicious. Next up we have some pears. And some jalapeno peppers. I use those a lot, so I'm happy to see those. A little head of broccoli. Their broccoli is always delicious. And we've also got some oranges. This is good because I've got some Greek yogurt to use up, so I'll make some orange muffins, and if I have any left over, some orange chicken also. Also got some big red potatoes. I actually used those tonight. I made potato salad for dinner tomorrow because I'm going to be working late. Also had some russet potatoes. And here we've got some more apples and a pear. I think I see some apple butter in my future. And there's also a great big red onion. I can use that for salads and for cooking. Ice pack. I've also got some parsnips. I think I'll peel those and roast those. Maybe I'll even try them in the air fryer. And I've also got an enormous head of cauliflower. I'll probably use that to make cauliflower rice. And I will just go ahead and line everything back up again just so we can take a last look. Overall, considering I couldn't make the pick this week, I did end up with mostly stuff I could use, so that's awesome. Now, I will leave a $10 coupon code in the comment box below, or actually in the video description, just in case you'd like to give it a try and get a discount. It's always nice to have a little money off if you're trying something new for the first time. Well, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you would like to subscribe, hit the button below and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any videos. I will be back on Wednesday with another Goodwill Blue Box video. And other than that, I hope you have a great evening, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.